Are you ready to discover the secret weapon that's leaving doctors absolutely astounded? If you're over 50, there's an age-defying spice that has the power to change your life in ways you never thought possible. So buckle up. What you're about to learn may just amaze you. Welcome back to our channel. Today's topic is nothing short of sensational and could completely shift how you view your health and wellness. While many people know ginger has been used for centuries in traditional medicine, what's recently been uncovered through modern research is truly groundbreaking, especially for those over the age of 50. This modest root is now at the center of a health revolution, stunning doctors with its transformative impact on vitality and well-being. In this video, we're going to reveal 5 powerful benefits of ginger that are genuinely changing the lives of individuals over 50. We'll also dive into the science behind these extraordinary effects and share easy, practical ways to include ginger in your daily routine. Trust us, this isn't something you'll want to miss. What you learn today could dramatically enhance your health and energy. Stick with us until the very end, because we're about to unlock the secrets of this remarkable spice that has everyone buzzing. It's time to harness the full potential of ginger and start living your best life, regardless of age. Let's dive in. 1. Ginger's incredible anti-inflammatory powers. One of the most impressive qualities of ginger lies in its powerful anti-inflammatory properties, thanks to a bioactive compound known as gingerol. This natural substance works like a superhero in the fight against inflammation. As we age, our bodies endure more wear and tear. For those over 50, this often leads to increased discomfort in the form of joint pain, stiffness, and inflammation, turning daily tasks into painful challenges. But here's the good news. Ginger can provide real relief. Gingerol's anti-inflammatory properties have been shown to soothe sore joints and reduce inflammation, making ginger a valuable ally for anyone managing arthritis or similar conditions. And it doesn't stop there. By decreasing inflammation, ginger also supports greater mobility, which is essential for maintaining an active and independent lifestyle as we age. Whether it's enjoying a walk in the park or keeping up with the grandkids, ginger can help you move with greater ease and less discomfort. A groundbreaking study published in the journal Pain Medicine, led by researchers Daly, Zhang, Kim, and Park, revealed remarkable findings about ginger's effects. The study found that ginger significantly alleviates pain, sometimes even outperforming traditional painkillers. While the focus was on menstrual pain in older women, the results emphasized ginger's potent anti-inflammatory and pain-relieving abilities. These benefits also extend to common age-related concerns, including arthritis, digestive issues, and overall inflammation. So the next time you're feeling stiff or achy, turn to ginger, your natural inflammation-fighting companion. Add it to your meals, or enjoy a warm, comforting cup of ginger tea. Your body will thank you, and you just might realize that age is truly just a number when ginger is part of your wellness routine. 2. Digestive health support. Ginger has a long-established reputation as a go-to natural remedy for digestive troubles, and for those over 50, this is nothing short of a blessing. As we grow older, our digestive systems can become more sensitive and less efficient, often resulting in symptoms like gas, bloating, and indigestion. These issues can quickly turn an enjoyable meal into an uncomfortable experience. But once again, ginger steps in as a hero. This unassuming root promotes optimal digestive function by calming the stomach and easing digestive distress. The secret lies in compounds like gingerols and shogols, which stimulate the production of digestive enzymes and relax the muscles of the gastrointestinal tract. This allows food to move more smoothly through the system, like a gentle, internal massage that relieves discomfort. If you're over 50 and finding that your digestion isn't what it used to be, incorporating ginger into your routine might be just what you need. Add a bit to your recipes, sip on ginger tea, or try candied ginger as a snack. Your digestive system will likely thank you, with reduced bloating, less discomfort, and an overall feeling of lightness and ease. 3. Immune system boosting properties. As we age, the immune system often doesn't function as robustly as it once did. This can leave us more vulnerable to infections, colds, and other illnesses. Fortunately, ginger has some impressive immune-enhancing properties that can make a big difference. Thanks to its antimicrobial and antioxidant qualities, ginger helps fortify the immune system, giving it extra strength to fight off germs and keep you feeling your best. But ginger's benefits don't stop at the surface. Its rich supply of antioxidants also helps combat free radicals, harmful molecules that contribute to aging and various chronic diseases. Neutralizing these free radicals not only supports a strong immune response but also promotes overall longevity and vitality. So if you're over 50 and searching for a flavorful, natural way to enhance your immunity, ginger is a perfect choice. Sprinkle some into your meals, sip on hot ginger tea, or blend it into a smoothie. With ginger on your side, you'll be better equipped to stay healthy and energized all year long. 4. Cognitive health support. In addition to being a culinary staple, ginger is gaining recognition for its role in supporting brain health, especially for individuals over 50. As we age, maintaining mental clarity and memory becomes increasingly important. Some studies suggest that ginger may have neuroprotective properties, helping to preserve cognitive function and slow down mental decline. Think of it as a personal trainer for your brain, keeping those cognitive muscles strong and sharp. How does ginger accomplish this? It's largely due to its high antioxidant content, which combats oxidative stress, a key contributor to age-related cognitive issues such as Alzheimer's and other neurodegenerative conditions. By incorporating ginger into your daily diet, you may be helping your brain defend itself against these harmful effects and stay in peak condition. If you're over 50 and want to stay mentally agile, try adding ginger powder to your favorite dishes, enjoy it in tea, or even consider high-quality ginger supplements. With this spice as your cognitive ally, you'll be well prepared to tackle challenges and keep your mind razor sharp. 5. Blood sugar regulation. Ginger isn't just a culinary delight. It also plays a critical role in helping regulate blood sugar, particularly for those over 50 who are managing or at risk of developing type 2 diabetes. As we grow older, blood sugar control becomes increasingly important. Ginger has been found to improve insulin sensitivity, allowing the body to respond more efficiently to insulin and better maintain stable blood sugar levels. The magic behind this effect comes from bioactive compounds like gingerol and zingerone, which support the body's ability to absorb glucose and reduce the likelihood of harmful blood sugar spikes. If you're over 50 and looking for a natural, effective way to support healthy blood sugar levels, consider adding ginger to your routine. Try stirring it into your oatmeal, sipping on ginger tea, or experimenting with supplements. By keeping your blood sugar balanced, ginger can help you feel more energized, in control, and on the path to a healthier lifestyle. Final thoughts, and there you have it. The top 5 remarkable health benefits of ginger that are stunning doctors and changing lives, especially for those over 50. We hope you found this video informative and empowering. Are you already using ginger in your routine, or are you excited to start? Share your thoughts, experiences, and favorite ginger recipes in the comments below. We'd love to hear your stories. If you found this content helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Your support helps us spread the word about the amazing health advantages of this age-defying spice and reach more people who can benefit from it. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more insightful and uplifting content designed to help you live your healthiest, happiest life. Until next time, stay ginger-tastic and keep thriving, no matter your age.